Hey everyone, wanted to quickly go through our plans for the fall. For MTC, for the coursework, our overall philosophy is that we want to make sure that your health and safety comes first, and we don't want you put anyone in situations where you feel like your health is maybe compromised. And so currently, these are the dates for the fall, and we've sent out a form to hopefully find out what commitments people have, and then we want to balance these dates because as you can see, there's three Saturdays in a row from October 31st to November 14th, and then we have two right at the end of December. So we're hoping to balance that out by moving two of these dates a little bit earlier in the semester, but we want to make sure that that fits with any previous conflicts you may have. So be sure to fill out that form, and then once we have everyone's input, we'll be able to adjust this accordingly. And right now, these say leaning online, and that's a very there's a very high likelihood that all of the fall coursework will be done online. We just wanted to make sure we leave a slim chance just in case it does become possible, but at this point, we don't believe that it will be possible. And then concerning your placement schools, uh, as you know, we can't dictate to districts what they can and can't do. A lot of the districts have varying plans, and some are still being developed and changed. And I know many districts are going to start online, and that's what we hope, or that's what I hope happens. And so if you have questions, make sure you work with your district to address any questions and concerns that you may have, and then talk with us. So that's basically the overview of this. Don't forget to fill out the form, and please let us know if you have any questions.